Hi there, I've been messing around with websites for donkey's years. Not professionally, just for a hobby, personal use and the occasional website for friends or family. And for many of those years I've used Joomla CMS. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a very good program, but it doesn't come anywhere near as good as WordPress, which is something I discovered a few months ago. I've been aware of WordPress for many years, but I never really bothered looking at it until a few months ago, and I fell in love with it. And I also fell in love with an add-on that you can get for WordPress called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder, and you build each page, and it's just wonderful. It's a joy to use. I look forward to putting the computer on in the morning and using it, because that's how easy it is to use, how simple, and it stops you from making silly mistakes. It's just fantastic. If you've never used Elementor, you must take a look at it. Now there's lots of videos on YouTube about how to build WordPress websites, pages and pages of them. How build a WordPress for beginners, and they're all basically the same. But I've noticed that they don't tend to talk about some of the more important aspects about building a website, and that's something I wanted to just touch on in this video, and that's making your website, how to make it look good on not only a desktop but also a tablet and a mobile. So this is a page, this is a website I'm working on at the moment. Now this is the desktop at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to emulate going down from a desktop down to a tablet down to a mobile, and you'll see what happens to the heading there. So as we go down, put tablet now, go down a bit further, then we get to a mobile phone. It doesn't look too bad there, but it probably would look even worse on a smaller phone. But that doesn't look very professional to me. I don't like that at all. I really don't. But there's something we can do about that really easily using Elementor. So what we do, I've already got it open. What you have to do, I'll go back to where are we? Hang on a minute. Excuse me. Right, we have Elementor open at the moment. I'm not going to go through all how to install it. You can work that out for yourself or find a video. But we're in Elementor now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my H1 tag, my heading, and then this will bring this edit heading up. Now if you click here, typography, and then this little box will come up, and it will show you the size of the heading. Now at the moment, my heading is 50 pixels on the desktop. Now if you click here, where next to size, you'll see a little emblem, and that's desktop. If you click on that, you've got the tablet, and so if I go down to tablet, you'll see that my H1 heading is the same size on the tablet as it is on my desktop, and it looks rubbish. So the simple fix is just to change the size like that. That looks much better. When someone's on their mobile, they don't want to have to scroll past a massive heading to get to the text. So I've done that. So I'll go to tablet, and again, that's a bit too big in my opinion. I'm going to change that. I'm going to go down to 30, like that. That's much better, I think. So we'll go back to desktop. That's fine, that is. That's 50. So we've got 20 on a mobile, 30 on a tablet, and 50 on a desktop. And I think that looks brilliant. So we'll just save that. And then we'll go and have a look. Right, there we are. We'll click here. So what I'll do is I'll just emulate tablet there. So we'll take the screen size down. There we are. There we go. Close there. And when we get right down to the tablet, we got a small heading. You don't need to be any bigger than that, because you haven't got a lot of real estate, so to speak, on a tablet, and you don't want to take up too much space with a massive heading. So there you go. So we'll just make that a bit bigger. So we'll go from there. So we'll get to, there we are, with tablet size now, slightly bigger, straight up to a desktop. That's a simple way to make your H1 tag responsive, so that it changes sizes on the different size screens. Anyway, hope that helped. Cheers for now.